This advocacy aims to stop discrimination of gender. It's either inside or outside the school, because discrimination can affect everyone and it's not acceptable. Discrimination victims frequently keep their experience a secret. They frequently keep everything inside and refuse to express the suffering they are going through. Discrimination, as we all know, can result in a number of issues, including anxiety, despair, tension, anger, and low self-esteem. That's why we advocate to stop discriminating of gender. Let us help the LGBTQIA+ community to overcome, and let us make them feel that they are not alone in this cruel world. Do you know that if we stop discrimination as soon as possible, because unity and happiness will be brought to our country. That is why we need a change in which people are free to do whatever they want without being judged or discriminated. Spread the love and kindness in our society.